What is up? Yasmin at eFlexFuel here, and I'm here with Ash, and he's got a beautiful Tundra. Been running our kit for quite some time now. You want to tell us a little bit about yourself, Andrew?
Yeah, so name's Andrew. Run a business called Trail Command. We do a lot of off-road fabrication. We have you guys' kit obviously on our in-house truck Tundra that we run on the track a lot. So
you guys seen some pictures and some dyno footage of that. The truck is thick. A little surprise for you guys. Andrew's truck's gonna be at SEMA, so please come on down, check it out. Dude, you guys got to see this in person. This is a beautiful truck, very, very well built. Come on down, check it out at SEMA. Say what's up.
I appreciate that, man.
So we got a few questions for you today, man. Thanks for joining us. We really just want to ask you a few questions on your experience running 85 and running our product, and just pretty much want to let people know how your experience has been. Without further ado, here we go. First question, what motivated you to switch to eFlexFuel or to add eFlexFuel to your truck?
Yeah, dude, honestly, with that truck being as heavy as it is, we put a supercharger on it to help with the performance and gain some of that power back out of that 5.7. One of the people that, if you know supercharged or induction force on motors, it's pretty hard on motors, especially if it didn't come with it from factory. And being a truck that runs in the desert where we see a lot of heat, we wanted something to be able to keep that that spark knock and that pre-detonation under control, and nothing does that better than ethanol because of how low burning it is as far as like a heat source. It burns pretty low compared to fuel. It's less unstable. So that's honestly the reason why we switched over, is to get a little bit more of a safety out of it to run the ethanol.
That makes sense, yeah, because the out there temperatures do get pretty warm easily, hot air, so that makes perfect sense. Cool. And did you find that it did benefit you after you put it on and you went out there and tested it?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, instantly you can feel the truck's happier, the temperatures are a lot cooler. It definitely felt like it had more power, and by all means it was better on the pocket too to go out there to the desert. It was way cheaper filling up a 40-gallon tank with ethanol in it with 91.
Yeah, that's a big tank. That's a big tank. Yeah. Cool. So that definitely helped. Awesome. Next question. How easy was the installation process for you?
Honestly, it wasn't that bad. Probably one of the easiest installs I've done as far as like engine modification that involves wiring. It's pretty much all plug and play. You might have to do a little bit of a multimeter, trying to figure out which wire is the right wire to plug into. But other than that, I mean, it was all plug and play, really simple, really high quality wiring. I loved it.
Nice. Yeah, we do request a polarity test, which is very basic, very easy to do, right? Okay, cool. So overall, install was pretty simple. All under the hood, plug and play, and you're automatically able to run the 85. So that's cool. That was easy for you. And you are, a fabricator more than a technician, right? So it's not like all your experience is under the hood working on the engine, right?
Well, yeah. I mean, I have a little bit of technical background. I mean, I was with Toyota for 12 years as a master tech, so I do have a little bit of technical background. But yeah, I mean, even as a hobbyist or a gearhead, this is something, if you can change injectors on your truck or your car, you can install this kit. It's really simple. It's user-friendly. I mean, everything's figured out for you. You guys supply all the parts, all the tools necessary. Like, there's not even a single tool that I need outside of what you guys have. I mean, the kit. Yeah, you guys have even the little plastic that you guys sell, depending on your make and model, to release the little plastic quick disconnects on factory. Yeah, because sometimes that could be a pain in the butt, and you guys have it in your kit, so that's really nice that you guys have supplied that.
Plugs, right?
Yeah.
Everything, we try to supply everything needed, and basically your concern is you just need to get to the fuel injectors, and you need to get to the fuel line. And usually the fuel line, that's right there where the fuel rail is. So that's the two main things. If you can do that, you can do it. Have you noticed any changes in your vehicle's performance since you're using eFlexFuel?
Oh, absolutely. Like I said, truck runs way cooler. You can tell an instant, with the butt dyno, you can tell the difference in power. I mean, and we did that comparison, you and I.
Look at the curve. So,
and it was surprising to see it was over 100 horsepower gain on the rear tire. And obviously, with having a supercharger, it's going to be more noticeable than a naturally aspirated motor. But I mean, even in my wife's 4Runner, she has a 2023 bone stock 4Runner, and I installed that kit, and you can tell a big difference on the highway with it. It has
and
more
just
ground.
to make the point here that the difference in power is not just a peak, it's across the board, right? It's a full torque band across the board that you feel it. So that's why you can feel it more than anything, whether it's 10, 15, 30, in your case, almost 100 horsepower difference. You can definitely feel it because it's all across the board, right?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Well, that's good. Awesome. Glad that you could hear it. And it's almost 100, bro. That's insane.
It's surprising, yeah.
Okay. What is your favorite feature or benefit of using eFlexFuel?
God, I honestly, I want to say it's the app. Being able to quick adjustments on the fly. If it's running a little lean in the wintertime and you in the morning starting it up and you want to richen it up, it's just super easy. It's right there on your phone. I mean, you guys made it super simple in like a user-friendly aspect to be able to just quickly adjust it like ethanol. I mean, I came from the street racing industry, like when I was in high school running ethanol on my Evo, and I remember how much of a pain in the butt it was starting that thing up in the mornings in the wintertime. But yeah, you guys make the kit really easy to use. So I would say my favorite thing is the app, being able to use the app to adjust things.
Cool, yeah, app very beneficial. It shows you your live ethanol content. It shows you where you are as far as like your enrichment for startup, as you were describing, your active duty cycle, engine temperature, as it does come with a drop-in ambient temperature sensor. So a lot of good information in the app. Also able to data log in the app. So if you are doing some fine tuning, very capable of doing that and using that for you to use your tuner. So if you need it. So app, very, very nice. I'm glad you like it. Last but not least, is there anything that you learned after using eFlexFuel? Would you recommend eFlexFuel to other owners, and why?
While learning, dude, I mean, every day I learn something new with this truck, and definitely learning with the eFlexFuel kit on the truck has it's opened up my eyes to what ethanol has become and how better it's technology has advanced on it. So I'm learning quite a bit about it, and I love it. As far as do I recommend it? Absolutely. I mean, all my gas vehicles, all my customers, we install them, we recommend them, they love them. I've never had, no one complain about it. Every time we install these kits, they run perfect right out of the box, and we just do. I mean, it's a no-brainer install, honestly. I would say if you're not installing it, you're shooting yourself in the foot.
Almost surprised, like, why isn't there more people running E85, right?
Yeah, and I mean, I don't know why it's got such a bad rap. It really doesn't need to have a bad rap. I mean, it's benefits every aspect: your car's performance, your pocket. I mean, the fact that you can get a cheaper dollar per gallon fuel and the car runs better and it makes more power. It's a no-brainer.
No-brainer. It's a smart system. It also detects basically, and it goes adjacent with your tune and how you drive it. So it is designed for your daily driver or your race car. It basically goes hand in hand with your tune. So however you set it up, it's how it's going to run. If you decide to do it on your daily driver, you do your daily commute, it's not going to kill your gas tank like people think. That's on a full race car. But if you just do daily driving, like on your wife's 4Runner, I'm sure you're going to see that, dude, it just burns very little compared to like extra. Like it's usually between 15 to 30% more. And it all depends on how throttle happy you are, right?
Yeah. And I mean, I've had that kit on my wife's car now. It's already got about 30,000 miles on that kit. Nice. And it runs great. We've gone cross country with it. Never had a problem switching fuel. Never had a problem putting ethanol in it after running, 87. It's beautiful. I mean, it works great. And even like you said, if you're not on it, your fuel efficiency is about the same with gasoline, if not better in some cases.
More power, more torque, less shifting. And then you made a good point, actually. You can go back and forth between 87, 89, 91, or ethanol, whichever is available to you. The kit only unlocks the benefit of using any pump of choice. A lot of people still ask this question to this day. Can I use, gasoline while I have the kit? Do I have to make any switches? Do I have to do any tuning? Um, can you let us know on your end how that works for you? Like, you don't, right?
You don't. You just pump in, and the system takes care of itself. That sensor reads how much ethanol content's in it, and it adjusts, automatically. You don't have to touch anything about it. I mean, it runs beautiful. It does what it's supposed to do.
Like a true flex fuel vehicle from factory, this basically makes it become that, but it is a smarter system. It has a live ethanol content sensor. It does not wait for your O2s to read that you switched over, so there is no hiccups in between switching fuels. It'll do it on the fly, and you won't feel a thing. So that's a good point that you brought up. A lot of people ask that, so I'm glad that you brought that up. Cool. Well, that pretty much sums it up, man. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're happy that you were able to do that, and just pretty much want to share all this beautiful information with other people. And thanks for helping us out with this.
I appreciate it. Thanks for having me, guys. It was awesome.
Cool. Thanks a lot for joining us, guys. If you need any fabrication for your off-road trucks, please be sure to check out Andrew. Please let us know where they can find you.
You can find us on Instagram at Trail Command. You can also find us here in person. We're in Costa Mesa, California. So the best way to reach out to us is either by email or by Instagram. Our email is trailcommand@gmail.com. So just send us an email and we'll reach out to you. Yeah, we can get you guys installed on a 85 fuel flex fuel kit too.
Good point. He also does installs. So he's in Costa Mesa. If you guys are purchasing a kit and need a professional to install it and you're in that area, Andrew will be happy to take care of you. He's certified by us and you won't have any issues.
So, I think that stands to the the value of the product right there, that I got the kit out of my own pocket, paid for it, tried it out with an open mind, loved it so much that, we became a dealer for it. And I mean, we wouldn't go back any other way. We love it.
Hey, thank you so much, man. We appreciate that. And dude, just happy to have you on the team, honestly. Your truck's awesome. Amazing. We're gonna have it at SEMA. So please stop by our booth, check us out at SEMA, take us some pictures with the truck, and just, say what's up. All right, that pretty much sums it up. Thank you guys for everything. We'll see you guys on the next one. Later, dude.